very good morning friends. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope everybody is doing really great. आज हम करने वाले हैं very quick, very easy and simple, just 5 minutes yoga routine. This you can do the very first thing in your morning to make your day awesome, or you can do it anytime in the day. Like if you are sitting for a very long time, like everybody is working from home these days, so आप बहुत देर तक अगर अपना काम कर रहे हो, अपनी बॉडी को अनवाइंड करना चाहते हो, you can just get up from the sofa or from your desk and you can unwind your whole body. This yoga routine will unwind every part of your body from top to toe so that you can feel so much energized and you will be completely recharged. Okay, and this is very good for kids. Like अभी exams आने वाले हैं, so moms please include your kids with you so that आपका तो day awesome होगा ही, kids को भी अपने exams के लिए एक अच्छा morning start मिलेगा. Okay, or if you are in any age group, like if you are an adult also, old adult, you can also do this to unwind your body any time of the day. Okay, and if उनके लिए भी है जो already कुछ अच्छा workout routine follow करते हैं, क्योंकि this is a yoga routine, so we are also concentrating on our breath throughout the process. So if we are controlling our breath, we are just suppressing the cortisol level. What is cortisol? Cortisol is a stress hormone which our body releases any time of the day. जब भी हम stressed होते हैं तो हमारी body एक hormone release करती है जो कि immunity के लिए बहुत dangerous है. हमारे immunity cells को almost kill करता है ये हमारा stress hormone, that is cortisol. So ये cortisol level को भी down करता है. तो किसी भी तरह का स्ट्रेस हो, whether it is a physical stress due to your overwork, like ladies are doing so much work these days due to this pandemic, तो उनके लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा है. और if you are working from home, so आपके लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा है. So you can do it very first thing in the morning to make a good start of your day. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start. Okay, come on, stand up, take just 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, let's start. So इसके लिए we can just stand very easily and comfortably like this. You can put your legs shoulder width apart or just at your own ease. But one thing which is very important is put your whole body weight on your complete soles, like from big toes to the heels. Sometimes we didn't notice, but हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पैर पे या तो वेट दे के खड़े होते हैं in general standing during the day. So उससे हमारी full body का weight एक particular portion पे आ जाता है, which is not good. So in a perfect standing way, we have to give our whole body weight on both of your feet completely. Okay. This you can judge by looking to your regular shoes or slippers. वो कहीं से दबी होगी तो आपको पता चलेगा that you are not just spreading your whole body weight on both of your foots. Okay, so just starting our routine, just stand in a comfortable position. सबसे पहले हम अपने नेक एरिया की स्ट्रेस को और शोल्डर एरिया की स्ट्रेस को रिमूव करेंगे. उसके लिए लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग दिस साइड, सबसे पहले लेफ्ट एंड राइट स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग राइट साइड, ब्रीद इन, एंड व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू द लेफ्ट साइड, ब्रीद आउट, और वाइस वर्सा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ब्रीद इन, nice and gentle breathe. Go to the other side and release. Inhale, exhale. This will completely release the stress from your neck muscles. Then up and down. Do this 10 times. Then do up and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. A nice and gentle breath, inhaling or exhaling, will give you a very calm night. Okay, so do it 10 times again. Breathe in, breathe out. My eyes automatically gets shut down whenever I am doing my yoga practice. So it is just up to you. You can open your eyes or you can close your eyes to feel more within yourself. Okay, so do it 10 times, left and right, 10 times up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, feeling good? Feeling some unwind? Okay, now if you can do, take a full rotation. If you cannot, you can do just half rotation, just semicircle. Like start from there, go up to here and then come back. Sometimes if you are not in practice and you are taking a whole circle, you can feel some dizziness in your head, or you can just feel some stiffness in your neck area. So for this you can just take half circles, as totally as per your physical conditions or your comfort. Okay, yoga is all about comfort, so don't stress yourself. In any case, जितना आपको comfortable हो आप उतना ही करें. Okay, so this also 10 times. Breathe in during the half circle and breathe out during the half circle. Okay, like this. I breathe in when I go in this direction, and when I'm reaching here and coming down, I exhale. Okay, so do it with me. Inhale, go down, take a circle, the halfway start releasing, exhale. Do this 10 times. You feel happy, this whole area get unwind completely. And you're controlling your breath. So कभी भी आपने देखा होगा जब भी आपको स्ट्रेस होता है, either it's a physical stress or an emotional stress, सबसे पहले आपका breathe out होता है, right? सबसे पहले आपकी breathe unnatural हो जाती है. So controlling your breath is the best and quick remedy for it. Okay, let's do it. Now this area is done. We'll come to shoulders. जब आप इतना कर लोगे आपको खुद फील होगा. Now you need to open up your shoulders and chest. So what you need to do, just put your hands like this, like this. Breathe in when you go in, breathe out when you go out. Okay, so let's do. Your whole chest area will get open up. Your shoulders will open up, your hands and arms will open up, your back shoulder blades, the shoulder blades will come like this. You know what is shoulder blades? Like these two things on your back, these are shoulder blades. This will come closer, chest will open up, shoulders will open up, and you will feel very open in your upper body. Okay, so let's do it. With inhale, release, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, do it 10 times, then reverse. try to maintain a gentle smile throughout this whole process. Okay, so you will feel more open up and feeling open up. Very good. Okay, so now just start doing the hand rotation. So these hands are working whole day, so just unwind it, unwind it, unwind your shoulders, unwind your hands. Okay, now let's start. When you go in this direction, breathe in, coming down, breathe out. Okay, let's start. Nice and gentle breathe throughout the session. You will feel more open up. These muscles will work. Your abdominal muscles will work. Okay, so let's include your abdominal muscles. Squeeze abdomen a little bit in to get more stress. You will feel very good. 10 times this, then reverse. Great. I'm feeling great. You're feeling great? Just do it with me, okay? 10 times with your own pace. Don't be in hurry, don't be in rush. You have all the time at your home. Whenever you have time, then do this. So you can do this very, very, very gently and smoothly to give your body, love your body like this. Okay? So next thing you have to do is this upper body is completely open up. You must be feeling some open up. Now these fingers, which is working whole day, like cooking or you're typing on the laptop, and everybody's doing like this on your phones. So this also needs some unwinding. Okay, so first of all do this wrist. Very nice. It's very good feeling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will completely give relaxation to your hands. Okay, now do this. Keep your hands stiff and straight and give your palms and fingers a good stretch. Wow, feeling good. Then opposite side, feeling so much relaxed. Then this hand, very good. This way, awesome. Okay, I'm feeling good. Okay, so you're feeling completely unwind and stretched in your upper area. Now it's for your waistline. So waist and sides. So now what you have to do, hip rotation. So breathe in when you're going one direction, breathe out when you're coming back. Ten times this direction, then opposite. Okay, so this area is also done. Now we have to take our sides. So what you need to do for the sides, just put your hand like this or this, or the other hand all the way up to the ceiling. Stretch up, stretch up, stretch up, and then go to this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Come up. Super. Then same way on the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Go as much as down you can and with a normal breathing. Okay, feeling good, feeling stretched from both the sides and feeling stretched. Okay, so now it's coming to the foots. Just unwind your legs like this. Just give a little kick. Okay, now what you need to do, just stand on your toes as much as you can. Do like this and all the way go up. Look to the ceiling. Completely stretch up your body, completely stretch up your body and come down. While going up, breathe in. Hold your breath if you can for 10 seconds and then come up, come down and exhale. Feeling good? Now what you need to do, stand on your toes, come down, stand on your heel, stand on your toes, stand on your heel, stand on your toes, stand on your heel, on toes, on heel, on toes, on heel. Okay? You can even walk on your toes for 10 steps like this. Okay? That's good. Completely stretching up your legs, your ankles, your toes. Okay? Then your ankles, balance your body like this and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to then opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are in your if you cannot balance due to any reason, you can just take a wall support and do this. Okay, it's absolutely fine. You can take a wall support. Okay, then with the other leg, ankle rotation, 10 in this direction and 10 in this direction. Fine. Completely open up and unwind. Then the last thing, a very good stretch and opening up of your all muscles from top to bottom. Okay, so what you need to do, just breathe in, go up as much as you can. Breathe out while going down. Always breathe out while going down. Straighten your knees, don't bend your knees. Put your hands behind you, just on the floor here or here or here, or hold your legs. If you cannot reach up to the floor, if you cannot reach up to the floor, what you need to do, just need to do like this. जहाँ तक भी आप comfortably जा सकते हो, यहाँ तक भी जा सकते हो, it's absolutely fine. यहाँ तक, don't push yourself, do not push yourself. Just आप कहीं तक भी जा सकते हो. अगर आप पूरा जा सकते हो, well and good, चले जाओ. Down, just put your hands right behind your feet, or you can put your hands under your feet. This will give you a very good stretch. And touch your nose with your knees. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Gently come up. Very good. I'm feeling very good. Okay. So आप कितने भी नीचे जहाँ तक आप जा सकते हो, all the way up. Breathe in, breathe out while going down. यहाँ तक जा सकते हो, यहाँ तक जाओ. but try to touch your nose to your knees. Fine? This will stretch all your leg muscles. Okay? So you're feeling comfortable, you're feeling completely stretched. Okay? Just unwind your body. Perfect. That's it for today. Do this whenever you get time, whenever you want to unwind your body, stretch your body. Do this routine with proper breathing in and out, exhaling and inhaling. A proper inhaling and exhaling, the calm inhaling and exhaling is the key for a beautiful and calm mind. Everybody need to release your stress. So do this, practice this daily and tell me your feedback. Namaste.